Hi, friends. Are you using Gemini 3 Pro only as a smarter Google search to ask a question, get an answer, then close the tab? I was doing the same thing until I found out I was seriously underusing it, as buried inside this interface are tools that can replace hours of research, build software from plain English, turn boring text into visual stories, create videos, voices, and full workflows. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 most powerful Gemini Pro features that will absolutely change how you work in 2026.
The first feature is the deep research. This is the brain of Gemini Pro. Instead of you opening 47 tabs, scrolling, reading, and losing your sanity, Gemini becomes your personal research department. Imagine you're launching your own coffee brand. Normally, that would require hours or even days of exhaustive research into competitors, pricing, packaging, and customer feedback. But with Gemini's deep research tool, you can gather professional-grade insights in just minutes. Here's how it works. Open your browser and go to Google Gemini. Once you're on the main interface, click the Tools icon and select Deep Research from the drop-down menu. Now, enter a detailed prompt like this. Analyze the top coffee brands in the US. Identify their pricing strategies, current packaging trends, and common customer pain points. Press Enter. Gemini will immediately create a structured research plan, outlining the steps it will take. You can review and edit the plan if needed, or simply approve it and click Start Research. While it works, Gemini actively browses the web, pulls data from dozens of credible sources, and cross-references everything for accuracy. In about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll receive a comprehensive, multi-page report, complete with clear sections, key findings, examples, and verifiable source links. This feature is a game changer because it automates what used to take countless hours of manual searching, reading, and organizing. Whether you're researching market trends, competitors, or any topic imaginable, deep research delivers high-quality, structured insights almost instantly, saving you time and giving you a serious advantage. The second feature is the Storybook gem. This one feels like magic. It transforms documents into visual stories. Or you can now create personalized, illustrated stories with read-aloud narration in Gemini. To access this, click on that hamburger menu in the top left corner. Now, here under Gems, you might already see a Storybook option. So if you do, you're going to click that. But if you don't see a Storybook option, click on the Gems option. And here, you will see the Storybook option under the pre-made Google Gems. All you need to do is simply click on the Storybook option, and now your prompt page should look something like this, where you can create a storybook. All you have to do is write "Create a storybook about," and then you're going to fill in what you'd like to create. For example, create a storybook that explains hygiene to my 6-year-old, then hit enter and see what we get. Gemini Storybook starts by creating an initial draft and then creating illustrations for your book. And the whole process only took quite literally under a minute and a half. So let's check out this result together. Here we are on our cover page of my book, and it explains hygiene to my 6-year-old just like I have asked. You can view your storybook full screen, share it, print it, and even listen to it. The third feature is the built-in YouTube analysis tool, and it is insanely powerful. Here's how I use it. I grab a YouTube link. It's almost a 12-hour-long video on machine learning. I paste the link straight into Gemini and type, "Analyze this video in detail." Break it into clear topics and subtopics, summarize the key concepts in each section, and provide accurate timestamps so I can easily navigate the content. Then I hit enter. What happens next feels like magic. Gemini doesn't just skim the transcript. It actually understands the structure of the video. It identifies the main concepts, groups them into logical sections, and builds a clean outline with exact timestamps. Instead of wasting 12 hours watching the full video, I now have a smart roadmap of the entire lecture. If I only want the part about handling missing values, I can jump directly to that timestamp at 6 hours, 5 minutes, and 16 seconds. No scrolling, no guessing, no rewatching. It's like having a private research assistant who already watched the video, took perfect notes, and handed me the summary in under a minute. The time savings are unreal. A 12-hour video becomes a focused, summarized learning session. The fourth feature is the video creation powered by VEO 3.1, and this is where things get really exciting for creators, marketers, and educators. Google has brought its advanced generative video model directly into Gemini Pro, so you don't need separate tools anymore. It's all inside the chat. Here's how you use it. In the main Gemini interface, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Tools icon. From the menu, select Create Videos. Once you do that, Gemini switches into creative mode, ready to turn your ideas into motion. Now let's try a real-world example. I want something useful for content creation, so I type, or paste, a prompt. Create a seamless looping video of a cinematic sunrise over a city skyline, with moving clouds, glowing buildings, and a gentle left-to-right camera pan. I hit Generate, and VEO 3.1 gets to work. This usually takes around a minute, sometimes a bit more. That wait is because Gemini isn't just pulling clips from the internet. It is actually constructing a brand new video frame by frame, calculating lighting, motion, depth, and realism. And here is the output. The sunrise over a city skyline with a gentle left-to-right camera pan. You could use something like this as a YouTube intro, a presentation background, or a website banner video that feels modern and immersive. What makes this powerful is flexibility. You can generate product shots, abstract visuals, educational animations, or mood-based cinematic scenes, all just by changing your prompt. Video generation in Gemini Pro is a game changer.
The next feature is text-to-speech. To access this, we have to step outside the normal Gemini chat and head into Google AI Studio. Once inside AI Studio, open the text-to-speech model under the Audio Tools section. Instead of typing prompts in a chat, I now have a dedicated interface designed specifically for voice generation. In the text box, I paste my script. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we create, learn, and communicate. Next, I choose a voice style. Let's go with upbeat natural pitch. I hit Run, and here's what comes out.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we create, learn, and communicate.
The voice doesn't sound robotic at all. You can hear subtle pauses and realistic intonation, just like a real studio recording. Now let's take this a step further. I switch to multi-speaker mode. This lets me assign different voices to different speakers in a single script. I paste a short conversation. I assign a male voice to speaker 1 and a female voice to speaker 2, and hit Run.
Do you think AI will replace human creativity?
No, I think it will enhance it.
The result feels like an actual dialogue. The pacing changes naturally, and the speakers sound like they're responding to each other rather than just reading lines. This is incredibly useful. You can use it to turn essays into audio lectures, convert blog posts into podcasts, create voiceovers for YouTube videos, generate audiobooks from long documents. With Gemini's text-to-speech in AI Studio, you're no longer just writing, you're producing professional-grade audio in minutes.
The next feature is Workspace extensions. Honestly, 9 out of 10 Gemini users still have no clue this exists. This is the game changer that lets Gemini escape the chat box and actually dive into your Google Workspace files, emails, and calendar. No more manual digging. You just talk to it. First, here's how to turn it on. Super simple. In the Gemini app, look at the bottom left corner. Click Settings and Help. Then go to Connected Apps. Make sure Google Workspace is toggled on. All right, let's jump into a fresh chat and see the magic. Start by typing the @ symbol that pulls up the app or extensions. Then select the app. For example, I select the calendar. Then I type or paste, schedule a meeting with Sam for tomorrow at 3 p.m. for 30 minutes. Hit Enter. Gemini checks availability and schedules the meeting. Here, I just opened my actual Google Calendar, and you can see it. The meeting has been scheduled and perfectly synced with the right details. But this gets even better. Switch to email. For this, I type @ and select Gmail. Then I type or paste, find emails received in the past 25 days from ICICI and find any deadlines mentioned. Hit enter. Instantly, it scans my inbox and submits that it searched for emails received in the past 25 days to identify any deadlines, but could not find any emails from ICICI within that specific time frame. Isn't it cool that a task you'd normally have to do manually, searching for emails and opening and reading each one, can be easily handled by Gemini, saving you a lot of time? This feature turns your entire workspace, calendar, Gmail, Drive, into a searchable, actionable database, which you control with natural language and effortlessly. The final feature allows you to build your ideas, that is, a fully functional software or apps. This is not just another AI trick, this is a completely new way of creating software. Let me show you how it works. First, open Google AI Studio and you'll see a section called Build. Click on that. You'll now see a simple text box that says, Describe your idea. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to know coding. You just describe what you want in normal English, and Gemini does the rest. All you need to do is describe what you want. For example, I type or paste a prompt. Build a smart personal budget planner web app. The user should input monthly income, expenses like rent, food, transport, and entertainment. The tool should automatically calculate savings, display spending breakdown in a chart, and give smart financial tips based on the input. Make the interface clean, modern, and interactive. Now, watch closely. Within seconds, Gemini starts writing real code in the background. This is not a mock-up. This is a real working tool. And boom, here it is. We now have a fully functional budget planner dashboard. At the top, I enter my monthly income, let's say $5,000. You can see that the figures is not being reflected, but don't worry, this can be solved. Here again, I type, the monthly income box and add expenses boxes doesn't show the figures after I type it also. Then I send the prompt. After which Gemini fixes the issue. It's so simple. Now, if I enter my monthly income 5,000, you can see the figures. Then I add expenses, groceries, 1,500, transport, 600, entertainment, 300, utilities, 500. Instantly, the app calculates my total spending and savings. A live chart appears showing exactly where my money is going. And here's the coolest part. The AI gives personalized suggestions like, optimize grocery spending, maximize investment surplus, review utility usage. Think about that. A full financial tool built from a few sentences. No coding, no developers, no expensive software. Just Gemini and your imagination. And anyone can build tools that once required professional programmers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.